Welcome back to Side Hustles from Canada. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a Thanksgiving t-shirt design. It was basically an inspiration from a very viral design. Many of you have seen this design before. It says, "Touch my coffee and I will slap you so hard even Google won't be able to find you." It's everywhere on the mugs, on the t-shirts. Here we are on the Google and you can see people have made this design with different characters, and it's everywhere on the Google, and it's selling on eBay, Etsy, Redbubble, Teepublic, and many other print-on-demand platforms. So this was my inspiration too. I went to ChatGPT and I wrote it like, for a coffee, lay a finger in my coffee and I will slap you so hard even Google won't be able to find you. I wrote it for a Thanksgiving day and I asked ChatGPT to give me a funny prompt, especially for a comic t-shirt design because I like comic t-shirts. And ChatGPT, it generated many prompts. This is an edited video. I'm sharing only the relevant prompts with you. So here we are with another prompt, a design prompt, and then I asked ChatGPT to give me 5 more funny humorous prompts regarding to Thanksgiving Day. And I like the 5th one that says, "Steal my gravy and I will slap you so far even the pilgrims won't be able to guide you back." I like the first half of this sentence. I found the last one a little bit rude, so I mixed it. And my final prompt was, "Steal my gravy and I will slap you so hard even the Google won't be able to find you." My last prompt was to give me a prompt for a comic t-shirt design that says, "Steal my gravy and I will slap you so hard even the Google won't be able to find you," so that I can create an image from an AI image generator for my t-shirt design. And it gave me, and I copied it, and then I went to Google and there I wrote Microsoft AI image generator. I usually use Ideogram and Leonardo AI. I'm using Microsoft AI image generator for the first time. My overall experience was fun. Here you have to sign up first and it's free. Each time it creates 4 images. As I told you, this is an edited video, so I created many images. I'm going to share some of those images with you. I specifically wrote in ChatGPT that I like comic t-shirt designs, and it gave me the prompts for a comic t-shirt design. You can write whatever kind of designs you like in ChatGPT to create a prompt for an AI image generator to generate images. Here you can see there are many spelling mistakes in these images. If you ever want to write a sentence or to have a sentence in your image, Ideogram is the best choice. I'm using these AI images as a blueprint for my final design. A lot of people are using AI these days for creating images for their print-on-demand shops. AI can be a good assistant. It can help us generating cool images, but here's the thing. Using AI images directly on your print-on-demand products without any tweaking can make your designs feel generic, artificial, and unprofessional. I always recommend adding your own flair, make it truly yours, add custom text, because it's all about standing out and offering something unique. I also tried Ideogram for creating an image for my final design. I pasted the same prompt that I created from ChatGPT and I pasted it on Ideogram, and here you can see it generated many images. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and I like this one among all the images, and I'm using this brown image as a blueprint for my final design. Whenever we create an image using an AI, we always upscale that image because the size of an AI generated image is very small. I went to DGBLOL, it's an AI image upscaler, and something surprised me. These are my designs from my shop on Teepublic. Teepublic is marketing my designs. It's a very good feeling when you saw your designs on a website or any other place on Google. I'm making a tutorial on this design. This is about Halloween and it says Spooky Babe. I will try to upload the video within 2 or 3 days. I hope you guys will like it. This is my shop on Teepublic and we are creating this design. I've also created this design and it says, "Touch my coffee vessel and I will give you the taste of espresso slab, short, strong and unforgettable." This is also a comic style t-shirt. I submitted my design on DGBLOL for 8x because I want my design really sharp. Then I went to Canva, and here we have an option of custom size. I wrote 4500 by 5400. I will show you. Whenever you open the Canva, it's on the upper right corner, and we always pick for pixels px, never choose inches or centimeters or millimeters. Here we have the template. If you are not familiar with Canva, on the left side we have all the editing tools. From the upload option, we will upload the image, and then I always duplicate my designs. First we will remove the background of this image. This is Canva Pro, and in Canva Pro you have the option to remove the background. Remember, this is an upscaled image. You can use any AI image upscaler. Whenever you create an image from an AI, never paste it directly on Canva or in any edit software. Always upscale it. Now we only want the text of this AI generated image. I don't want the graphics in the center of this image. There are many ways of doing this. The first one is either cropping it. You can simply crop it. This is the duplicate one. First we will remove the background. Then we will go to the edit option. Here we have the Magic Studio. In the Magic Studio we have grab text option. We will click the text we want to grab from the image. It will take few minutes, and here you can see we have grabbed the text from that image. I will show you before and after. Whenever you will use this option on Canva, it will change the original image. Now again we will go to the grab text option in the Magic Studio, and we will click the second text on the image, and I will show you the original one and the new one. So here you can see we have a totally different image. This is the original one. I zoomed it, and here you can see the difference between both of them. This is the original one, and it's in two colors, and the one we have created by using grab text, it's totally different. So these are the different options. Now I will show you the third option. We will again remove the background, and here I will use the magic erase tool. So basically we don't want the graphic in our design. I only want the text on the upper half and the lower half of the image we created from an AI. We need a very sturdy hand for the magic erase option. So this is the final image that we need, and again I will duplicate this image, and now we will add the text in this image. Here on the text option you can click the text, and here we will write it. I'm using the Anton font. After writing the text, I cropped the AI generated image and placed the new text we just created exactly under the AI generated image. I changed the font, I changed the color, and I repeated the same process. I grabbed the second AI generated image, the duplicate copy. I cropped that one, and I wrote even Google, and I changed the font, I changed the color. I'm using Anton font. I did a lot of experiments. This is an edited video. Now I changed the background. Now I deleted the AI generated image, the one in the white strip, and we will align our image. Now I changed the colors. As I told you, this is an edited video, so I did a lot of experiments. I changed the color many times, so it will match the overall theme of our image. Then I went to Microsoft AI generator, and here I wrote a prompt, a punching turkey, because I need a turkey in the image, and it created many images. I like this one because it's a bit clear. I also like this one, but it's incomplete. So I downloaded it, and I downloaded the image, and again you have to go to an AI image upscaler to upscale your image. We always upscale our image because the quality of an AI generated image is very low. By upscaling it, we are actually improving the size and the quality of the image. So now I'm doing the alignment once again. So the next thing, when the AI image upscaler upscaled our image, we downloaded it, and again in Canva we upload it from the uploaded option. As I told you, I changed the color many times. This video is maybe 10 to 15 minutes long, but it took a lot of time in creating this image. I did a lot of experiments. Every time I changed the color, I changed the fonts, and every time I came up with something different. So in the end, when I created the whole design, I realized that the text that says "steal my gravy" is not good enough, even though I upscaled it using an AI upscaler, but still it's not a clean text. So I decided to rewrite it again. This text is in two shades of brown color, so we can create this in the gradient text option. I'm using Canva Pro, and in Canva Pro you will go to the app section, and here you can write gradient text. By writing this, the app will appear. I will show you. This app will appear, and in this window we will write the text. Then we will choose the font, and we will choose the particular color. Here you can see this is the app. You have to write gradient text in the search bar, and this app will appear. Here you will write the text, and then you will choose the font. I'm using Anton font, and then I will choose the color. So here's the trick. Whenever you want a particular color, we always paste the number of that color, and I will show you how you can do this. So in this image, we want the color of the second line that says, "and I will slap you so hard." So you will click on this text. By doing so, a color palette will open on the left side. I will show you. And when the color palette will open, and you will put your cursor on any color, the number of that color will appear here. You can copy that number and paste it on the app section, on the gradient app section. When you paste that color on that section, the same color will appear on that window. So here you can see that we are copying this color, the number of that color, that's specific shade of brown. I used different shades of brown, the light one, the lightest one, the dark one, the darkest one. I did a lot of experiments. I tried to create the similar gradient style text that the AI image generate for us, and you can see I tried to create the closest one. Every single time you came here, you copy the color of the image, then you go back to the app section, and here you can see the three dots. When you want the upper portion of the text, you can click the first dot. When you want the middle portion of the text, you will click the second dot, and when you want to change the lower bottom of the text, you will click the third dot. I hope you will get it. We have created the first draft, and when I created it, I added in my template, and here you can see I am comparing the original text that I created from the AI image generator and the one I created in the gradient text app, and there's a lot of difference in the color, and I don't like the one I created, so I tested and created another version. Then I created another version, and after 2 and 3 attempts I made the most closest one. Here you can see the last one is the closest one in terms of color theme. So finally we came up with an image where each and every element is in a perfect combination. Once our image is ready, we will download it from the download option, and remember we have to download this image with the transparent background. This is Canva Pro. In free Canva you don't have the option of transparent background. You have to go on other apps or websites to remove the background of your image. We always upload our image or on mockups with a transparent background. So I'm here on the playset. I usually used Kettle. I'm paying for it, so in the paying version you have very good mockups on the Kettle, but since most of the people are not using Kettle, they are using free versions, so I opt for the playset. In playset you will simply write free mockups, and then you have to upload your image from your device, and you have to edit it. You can change the color. As you see, she's wearing a white t-shirt. I will change the color of the t-shirt, and here we have an option to change the color of the scarf as well. This is just for the video. If you want to make a post for this design, this is not a good mockup, because here you can see that your design is not clearly visible. If somebody is seeing your design for the first time, you have to make it very visible. Your design should stand out, and we can see that it's not clear at all. The focus of the whole template is basically on the girl, and you cannot clearly see what she's wearing actually. So these are the very small things and tips that you have to keep in your mind before uploading your post or creating ads of your designs. So finally, this is the final look of our design. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.